Good morning, guys. Beautiful Friday morning. Sun is shining in all its splendor. Yeah, man, after a heavy downpour of rain yesterday. hmm This is a black mango tree. This is the chunk of a black mango tree. How old you think this black mango tree be? Because me nearly 70 and my born come see this black mango tree. Yeah. Many mango me eat up half it. Yeah, man. And it's still alive. Still alive. Yeah, man. And still alive, people. Alright, I'm standing here is the abundant water system. This is a canal. This used to supply Windsor Castle and Harthill. Yeah. And Dover too. Yeah. But what happened now is that them start take the water from the IT Boral pumping station all the way through to Portland. Yeah, man. So this are the right here, so at the local catchment area. Yeah, this is the local catchment area. We also take the water down to the pump house. One cameraman that in the background I come up a cheddar step. About 30 cheddar step to come up and down where I come there now. Way down to the old pump house. Hey guys, you know the hills are kinda nice, not kinda nice. Birds chirping and everything like that. Wolpa herbs. The one yeah, you can identify it. Yeah man. The man them need to know that one there. Yeah, Ram Goat National. How them call it. Yeah man, as I say again, beautiful morning. After a heavy downpour of rain yesterday in this section of the island. You know? Yeah man, this is a little hideout cottage. Mostly rent by foreigners. Nice good chill out spot, brother. Nice good chill out spot. Yeah, man, beautiful surroundings. The river rolling in the background. Yeah, guys, so this canal bank here now becomes a foot trap to the famous um, waterfall, Two Sister. Yeah, man. This, this is the foot trap, alongside the canal here. Yeah. So the place green and lush, guys. Yeah, man. Beautiful. 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 And if any of you guys know what tree this is, famous Jamaican tree. I think it is indigenous to Jamaica. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is the Bloomer Oak. Yeah, man. Bloomer Oak. See if I can show you some of the leaves, guys, from this angle. Alright. Kind of difficult. Still gonna try. Those over leaves, yeah, they are the Bloomer Oak leaves. Yeah, man. Obviously, that tree are well old. See the side of the trunk, size of the trunk. Yes, guys. Excuse me. Lot of mango trees in this area too, guys. Black mango, airy mango, we call them stringy mango. Lot of mango. Yeah, guys, a lot of mango tree in the air. See it over there? All those trees are mango trees. Black mango to be exact. Yeah. And it is mango season. May I tell you? Mango for days. Yeah, man, mango for days, guys. Mango for days, guys. Yeah, man. This mango tree a start bloom. So further down in the year, we gonna have black mangoes. Yeah. Just by about May, going back right back down to August, we have mango. Yeah, man, a lot of mango, guys. And most of these mangoes just go to waste. You know? Telling you. Man, so that is the mango blossom. Beautiful. Beautiful. So when them this come and bear now, mature, ripe, you can just pick them and pick. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, man, that is one of the little cottage tucked in under the hills here. Shaded area, a lot of shaded area. You know? Yeah. Nice and cozy. Nice and cozy. So just stay tuned, guys. And keep in touch. You know, your guy Alka here. So take a little nature walk. Yeah. You know, sometimes you need this kind of break, you know, out of the hustle and the bustle. Just to relax and soothe your mind, you know. Yeah. Change your thought process in every way. Yeah, man, because you hear birds in the background, you hear the river, you hear the wind rustling against the trees and all these things. Yeah, no interruption. Yeah? Just natural vibes. Yeah, man, peaceful. Peaceful. Yeah, man, really peaceful. Yes, guys. You know, so me out to close a look a short video here right now. But come to the end of it. So just ask some subscription, like, comment and share. And stay safe and be good to yourself and others. Yeah man, your guy Alka here.